the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. We are witnessing the President as he conducts a walkthrough inspection of the various operations and maintenance equipment from the National Irrigation Administration, or NIA. Ladies and gentlemen, these various operations and maintenance equipment were procured under the second tranche of the NIA's breathtaking program. Among the equipment for distribution are crawler excavators, amphibious excavators, tractors with trailers, and dump trucks with a total value of 782,132,000 pesos. Once again, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Bago, kahit sa ito ay kinakailangan, tayo na bumuto, naging ang mahal panahon na magbabago, ayos ang mga dapat ayusin. Dapat na ituloy ang bawat mga may nandito sa atin. Pagbabago sa pagsenso, sagat ng mabuti, ginhawa tayo, ang malaki natin, at ipamagat ang bagong Pilipino at bagong Pilipinas.
Now to deliver his welcome remarks and give an overview of NIA's program, may we call on NIA Administrator Eduardo Eddie Guillen.
Thank you. To our beloved President, His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., my fellow public servants, mga bagong bayaning magsasaka, mga kababayan, isang magandang araw po sa ating lahat. This ceremonial turnover of heavy equipment worth 782 million pesos is the second tranche of the agency's 3-year refleeting program to further improve po natin yung operations and maintenance of our irrigation system projects nationwide. Looking back, the ceremonial turnover of the 148 units of backhoe under the first tranche was led also by our beloved President last December 13 in SGMA Zambales. This supports our President's vision of food security and reduce hunger and poverty. Malaking tulong po talaga ang first tranche ng heavy equipment sa ating ONM, lalo na noong panahon ng El Nino. Ito po ang naging susi upang maibsan natin ang mga suliranin na kaakibat ng tagtuyot. Kung kaya, labis-labis po ang pasasalamat ng ating mga magsasaka. Looking forward to the second chance, itong mga heavy equipment natin ay magamit ng mga NIA field officers nationwide sa desilting operations ng ating mga irrigation facilities bilang paghahanda sa posibleng epekto ng La Nina. Muli, maraming salamat po, Pangulong BBM. Thank you, sir. Nais ko rin pong ipaabot ang ating taus-pusong pasasalamat sa Kongreso sa pumumuno ni House Speaker Ferdinand Martin D. Romualdez sa karagdagang budget allocation na ibinigay sa NIA. Ako, alam niyo po, mas marami pa po sana. Ano? Kaya kanina, sabi ko kay House Speaker, labis ang pasasalamat natin at sabi ko, tuloy-tuloy sana ang suporta sa atin sa NIA. Palakpakan po natin. Dahil po rito, naging posible ang mas maraming proyektong pang-irigasyon ng ahensya at mas maraming magsasaka ang natulungan. Indeed, it is a clear manifestation of our agency's efforts to secure timely implementation of irrigation projects nationwide. This procurement of heavy equipment would ensure efficient and effective maintenance of irrigation canals, free from siltation and debris, towards smooth water distribution, better harvest of crops of our farmers. Ngayon ay matitiyak po natin ang tuloy-tuloy na daloy ng patubig patungo sa mga palayan ng ating mga magsasaka dahil sa regular maintenance at agarang pagkumpuni ng ating mga pasilidad. A better hope for the future of our farmers and agricultural sector lies in irrigation. Ulitin ko po, a better hope for the future of our farmers and agricultural sector lies in irrigation. With sufficient and efficient equipment coupled with our bayanihan efforts, we can make a huge difference in improving the lives of our farmers. Ito po ang diwa ng isang maunlad na bagong Pilipinas na minimithi nating lahat. On behalf of all NIA employees and officials, I warmly welcome you all in this event. Thank you for joining us here today. Mabuhay ang mga bagong bayani magsasaka! Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas! Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Salamat po.
Thank you, Administrator Gillian. And at this point, may we request the President to lead our turnover ceremony, together with Agriculture Secretary Francisco Q. Laurel Jr. and NIA Administrator Eduardo Eddie Gillian. Representing the beneficiaries from Luzon, here to accept the keys for the various equipment is Regional Manager Josephine Salazar of NIA Region 3. Thank you very much. Moving on, representing the beneficiaries from Visayas, here to accept the key for the various equipment is Regional Manager Donald Boras of NIA Region 6. Thank you very much. Now, representing the beneficiaries from Mindanao, here to accept the key for the various equipment is Regional Manager Gustavo Rosales of NIA Region 12. Thank you, Mr. President, and congratulations to all our beneficiaries. Now we have Agriculture Secretary Francisco Q. Laurel Jr. to introduce our guest of honor.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Maraming salamat sa ating kalihim ng Department of Agriculture, Secretary Kiko Laurel, sa iyong pagpakilala. Please magsiupo po tayo. Nandito rin po the House Speaker who was instrumental in making sure that the budget was restored so that we are able to do this. At napakahalaga nito. At nagpasalamat tayo sa ating House Speaker, Speaker Martin Romualdez. Andito rin, siyempre, kailangan natin batiin ang ating NIA Administrator, Engineer Eddie Gillian. Andito rin po ang ating Pampanga Governor, Governor Delta is also here. And together with the Vice Governor, Vice Governor Nano Baby Pineda, Municipal Mayor of Mexico, Pampanga, Mayor Redencio Gonzalez, and of course, ang talagang pinuntahan natin dito at kayo talaga ang magiging aming inaasahan na tutulong at gagamitin lahat itong mga gamit na ito at gagamitin para mas pagandahin ang ating irigasyon, ang ating patubig sa buong Pilipinas, ang ating mga Irrigators Association at ang ating Farmers Beneficiaries. My fellow workers in government, and of course, our partners in the private sector, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Today, we witnessed the turnover of the second tranche of the operations and maintenance equipment under the National Irrigation Administration 3-year refleeting program. Itong programang ito, this is a realization of our commitment to the efficient and effective functioning of our irrigation systems. This goes beyond the provisions of just the provisions of new machinery. It also empowers our NIA regional offices, the Irrigators Associations, our farmer beneficiaries, to ensure the sustainability of our irrigation systems to avoid losses and to promote more efficient use of water resources that will in turn produce better and more crops. Last December 2023, we distributed 141 units of excavators amounting to an estimated 776 million pesos. That was the first tranche, turned over to the 17 NIA regional offices. Now, these equipments are now being used for the rehabilitation, preventive maintenance, and repair of irrigation facilities. Today, we distribute 148 units of heavy equipment such as excavators, dump trucks, tractors with trailers to the NIA regional offices around the country. By 2025, we will roll out the third tranche of equipment amounting to around 1 billion pesos. This investment in our irrigation infrastructure attests to our unwavering commitment to supporting the backbone of our economy, the agricultural sector. Through our refleeting program, we can instantly repair and build more irrigation facilities that were damaged by natural calamities, stand strong against the challenges of shifting climate change. It is more important now as many parts of the country are still recovering from the onslaught of Typhoon Karina and Buchoy. Of course, the provision of these machineries is just one of the NIA's efforts to ensure food security. Its bigger role is in the provision of water for crops through the construction and repair of irrigation facilities. With these machines and with this equipment to optimize our irrigation systems, the NIA has provided services to more than half of our national irrigation systems and communal irrigation systems. In areas where dam construction is not feasible or where there is a need to pump water to irrigate farmlands, the NIA has provided renewable energy-driven irrigation systems. We will not stop to find solutions that work for our farmers. We remain steadfast in our efforts to employ sustainable technologies to meet our irrigation needs. Sa ating mga magsasaka, saksi tayo ngayon sa isang bagong yugto sa pagsulong ng irigasyon at agrikultura sa ilalim ng isang bagong Pilipinas. Ating pinapalawig ang mga makabagong pamamaraan sa pagsasaka at sa patubig. Pinapalakas ang ugnayan sa pagitan ng ating mga magsasaka at ng pamahalaan. At binibigyan natin ng suporta ang ating mga magsasaka upang makamit ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap at adhikay. Bilang kapalit, sana po ay patuloy po kayong magpupursige upang paundarin ang inyong mga sakahan at nang sa gayon ay magbunga ng masaganang ani ang inyong mga pagsisikap. Tunay nga po na basta sama-sama, mapapatagumpay natin ang kahit anumang pagsubok. Sa ating pagkakaisa, lalo pa sa ating pagpapalakas ng sektor ng agrikultura para sa kinabukasan ng ating bansa. Nais ko rin na malaman ninyo ang kailanman. Hindi po namin kayo pababayaan. Habang pinauunlad at ginagawa nating moderno ang sektor ng agrikultura, hindi natin kinakalimutan at iiwanan ang bawat magsasakang Pilipino. Patuloy po tayong naghahanap ng mga solusyon upang mapabuti ang gawaing pagsasaka at mapataas ang inyong ani at ang inyong kita. Kaya tayo po ay magtulungan upang makamit ang isang maunlad at masaganang bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang ating mga magsasaka. Mabuhay po kayo lahat. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mr. President. May we request the President to kindly remain on stage and grant us a photo opportunity. May we also invite House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, Agriculture Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel, NIA Administrator Eduardo Eddie Gillian to join the President. May we call on the Farmer Beneficiaries and Irrigators Association, or SET1, to please come on stage for the photo opportunity. Agency partners and stakeholders, please get ready. Thank you, farmers and irrigators. Next, we have Set 2. May we call on our agency partners and stakeholders to please proceed now on stage. NIA and DA officials, kindly stand by. Thank you.